Success without change is just a dream. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable judges, esteemed guests, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am here for something that makes me recall Larson's word. Dear government, if I ever get a chance to speak to the government, I thought if I find someone too. And today, I have my chance to speak to the government. Forgive me, my Lord, for today I am going to say things that will haunt you. Forgive me, my Lord, for today I am going to say things that I'm not supposed to. Forgive me, my Lord, for today I am going to say things that I'm not supposed to. Imagine your brother working day and night as a newly hired educator and government employee, waiting for his salary as a sole breadwinner of the family, just to realize that his payment got delayed because a clerk wanted a start payment. Imagine your little brother going to school every day but having to pay 45 rupees extra every day over 1 liter of petrol because dishonesty has become an optional add-on on these petrol pumps. Imagine your little sister going to school and asking for a peer result card and the clerk says, give me 500 rupees and I'll give you one, just for one piece of paper. My Lord, this is something that isn't just my experience. These are the experiences that you and I are victim of. This is not a personal experience. This is something that you and I face on our daily life basis. But why? Because of our silence. Because of our silence, corruption has become such a normal thing in our society that we accept it and let ourselves be victimized. But why? Silence, my dear, is the root cause of it. Guess what? Frederick Nietzsche was right when he said that while you're fighting against a monster, you should see in the process that you do not become a one, but we have become a monster because we are silent, we are letting this happen, and we're just slipping the 500 rupees note because we don't want to go through the hustle or we don't want to wait. How will we fight corruption if we let this happen? My dear audience, remember Zainab, remember Noor Muqaddam, remember every Balochistan who was disappeared forcibly. Remember every father who was once not able to feed his own children but had to feed the pockets of his deep pockets. My dear audience, do you remember your father and my father? Do you remember your mother and my mother, your sister, my brother? Do you remember you and me being victimized by corruption? My dears, it is not because of these higher authorities that you are victimized. It is because of you that you are victimized because you chose to remain silent. My dear audience, corruption is because of you, corruption is because of me, corruption is because of everyone who is silent. So let's speak against it. My dear audience, Franklin once said that the fight for corruption is never easy. It never has been and it never will be. That's a toast ourselves. Our families, our children, our friends, our brothers, our sisters. And since our children are involved, we shouldn't be silent about it. So let's change the script. Let's wake up. It's a harsh reality. We need to wake up to it and fight against it. Let's fight it. Let's write the script from word to word again. Let's write it from first page because you and I will bring the change. And then I'd like to say that those who dare to dream are the ones who dare to change. So will you change it?